Crystal clean and delightfully pure, bottled water is a daily necessity. But have you ever given any attention to its production? Join us as we discover the incredible journey that water undergoes at a factory to ensure that every sip meets the highest purity and safety standards. The journey begins with water purchase. This could come from municipal sources, artesian wells, or natural springs, depending on the brand. Every supplier is carefully selected and monitored to ensure that it meets the highest quality standards. Natural springs and artesian waters are known for their unique mineral compositions, contributing to their refreshing taste and health benefits. Extra purification processes are needed to meet even tougher standards for bottled water supplied from municipal sources. Whatever the source, the water is thoroughly tested for minerals, pH levels, and contaminants to ensure that it remains consistent and safe. Natural springs and artesian waters are known for their unique mineral compositions, contributing to their refreshing flavor and potential health benefits. These liquids usually start deep underground and flow through layers of rock, which naturally add minerals like calcium and magnesium. Artesian water is mostly derived from pressurized aquifers, which naturally bring water to the surface without the need for pumping. To meet even stricter bottled water regulations, existing safe tap water is enhanced with substantial filtering and purification for boiled water derived from municipal sources. Every batch is rigorously examined for mineral homogeneity, pH levels, and contaminants, regardless of source, to ensure that the water tastes great and meets international safety requirements. This rigorous focus on quality at the source lays the groundwork for the creation of a dependable, revitalizing product. Once obtained, the water undergoes a meticulous purification. This step is critical for removing impurities and retaining the clean, refreshing taste that bottled water is known for. Filtration begins the purification process, in which water passes through fine screens to remove debris, silt, and larger particles. The following step is activated carbon filtering, which removes chlorine, organic compounds, and any unpleasant tastes or aromas to improve the flavor of the water. Following that, reverse osmosis is used to remove dissolved solids, heavy metals, and other tiny pollutants by forcing water through a semi-permeable membrane at high pressures. This technique ensures that the water maintains its cleanliness and meets strict health standards. The water is exposed to UV light, which kills hazardous bacteria and viruses without the use of chemicals, ensuring microbiological safety. Ozonation is the final stage of disinfection. Ozone, a strong natural sanitizer, is added to the water and then converted back to oxygen, leaving no trace. Automated systems continuously monitor each purification stage to ensure consistency, efficacy, and reliability. The bottles are ready even as the water is being filtered. Most brands of bottled water use PET plastic, which is chosen for its recyclability, durability, and safety. The technique begins with PET preforms, which are small plastic bits shaped like test tubes. These preforms are molded after being heated to their softening point. The preforms are stretched into the shape of the mold by pumping high-pressure air into them, resulting in the final bottle design. Unlike totally formed bottles, on-site manufacturing ensures consistent bottle quality while also significantly lowering shipping costs and environmental effects. Each bottle is meticulously crafted to maintain structural integrity while using less plastic, helping sustainability programs without sacrificing durability. Following molding, the bottles are promptly cooled to firm their form before being examined closely. While professionals personally inspect each bottle to ensure it meets the stringent standards, automated technologies look for faults like cracks or uneven surfaces. Each bottle is thoroughly cleaned and sterilized before filling to guarantee that it is free from any contaminants and ready to hold purified water. The bottles are first inverted and then cleaned with jets of filtered water to remove any dust or waste that may have settled during manufacturing. Many facilities begin this process with exposure to a sterilizing solution or high-temperature steam, which eliminates any potential pathogens. Certain bottling operations additionally incorporate UV light chambers, where bottles are briefly exposed to UV rays to offer an additional layer of sterility without the use of chemicals. This stage typically employs ozone-treated water, not just for cleaning, but also to give an interior free of microbes. Every step of the cleaning process is carefully planned and monitored to maintain efficiency while ensuring that the bottles are completely safe for the next stage. Filling occurs after the water has been filtered and the bottles have been sterilized. This is one of the most precise and well-known controlled methods employed in the entire manufacturing line, ensuring accurate and safe bottle filling. Filling takes place in a clean room, where the temperature and air quality are closely monitored to prevent contamination. Modern sensors and automated filling machines provide uniformity down to the millimeter by administering the exact amount of water in each container. The entire technique is touchless, using equipment designed to eliminate human interaction, ensuring the highest levels of hygiene. Some producers employ counter-pressuring systems for sparkling or carbonated water to ensure consistent carbonation levels throughout bottling. Regular inspections ensure that fill levels meet specific standards and that no leaks or spills occur during the filling stage. Thousands of bottles can be filled each hour thanks to the faultless and rapid technology, meeting client demand without losing quality. After loading the bottles, the following step is to cap and seal them. This technique locks in the freshness of water, ensuring that it remains fresh and uncontaminated until it reaches the user. The capping method begins with automatically sorting and placing sterile caps onto each bottle. The caps are then screwed tightly into place by high-speed capping machines utilizing precise torque to prevent leaks and to allow for easy opening. Certain goods include extra sealing layers, such as induction sealing or a tamper-evident band. While induction sealing, which is often used for luxury water bottles, involves covering and closing the bottle opening with heat, tamper-evident bands ensure that buyers can trust the product's integrity. This creates an airtight seal, protecting the water from outside pollutants. Automated systems monitor cap placement and tightness throughout the process, rejecting any bottles that do not meet exact specifications. After the bottles have tightly sealed lids, labeling is the following step. This vital phase ensures that important information, such as supplier data, batch numbers, and expiration dates are displayed, in addition to providing the product's identity. Labels are printed and affixed precisely to match each bottle, ensuring a polished and professional appearance. These labels are designed to withstand handling and moisture, ensuring their integrity throughout the product's life. To supplement their environmental goals, numerous companies use sustainable labeling materials such as recyclable or biodegradable options. Advanced coating systems not only imprint the bottles with the manufacturing dates, batch numbers, and expiration dates, but they also match the labels. These aspects are very necessary for traceability and to ensure quality and safety in the event of a recall. Premium products frequently include laser coating technology, which allows information to be etched directly onto the cap or bottle without the use of additional materials. After the bottles are marked and labeled, the packaging is the following step. This stage ensures that the bottles are ready for shipment to merchants and consumers and that they are safely packed for transit. Depending on market need, bottles are stacked in packs of 6, 12, or more. Automated processes line the bottles into precise groupings before they are wrapped in shrink film or placed on cardboard trays for added stability. The shrink wrapping technique not only keeps the bottles together, but also protects them from damage and dust during transit. Once built, robotic arms precisely place these bundles on pallets to optimize space and ensure stability while shipping. Each pallet is then securely wrapped in industrial plastic film to prevent movement and provide further protection. Every pack is verified to ensure proper alignment and packaging, guaranteeing that the goods arrive in their intended state unmodified. Strict quality assurance techniques are used throughout the bottling process to ensure that every bottle meets the highest purity, flavor, and safety standards. These inspections ensure that the product you enjoy is nothing short of excellent. Water samples collected routinely from the manufacturing line are tested in on-site laboratories for mineral homogeneity, pH levels, and contaminants. These tests also assess overall quality and taste to ensure that they fulfill brand standards. Advanced optical and laser-based systems look to correct fill levels, undamaged seals, and accurate labeling when scanning each container. Bottles that fail these tests are automatically removed from the queue for reprocessing or recycling. Workers also perform hand checks in multiple locations to identify any issues, such as surface defects or misplaced caps that machines may miss. This layered approach to quality control ensures that only the best bottles are distributed. With increased concern about environmental effects, modern bottling procedures now prioritize sustainability as a pillar. Businesses are attempting to reduce their environmental footprint while still providing the premium item that customers desire. Several bottling factories are transitioning to renewable energy sources such as solar panels and wind turbines. Modern wastewater recycling and treatment technologies contribute to water conservation by reducing waste and increasing efficiency. Bottle manufacturing has also included lightweight designs that use less plastic without sacrificing durability, resulting in lower raw material use. Some companies are taking it a step further, manufacturing biodegradable plastics or completely recycled bottled materials. Many firms encourage recycling through collaborations with collection systems and clear packaging labels that direct consumers to proper disposal. These projects demonstrate a commitment to sustainability, ensuring that the sector serves consumer requirements while also helping make a better world. Once bottled, sealed, and packed, the water begins its journey to consumers all over. An efficient global distribution system ensures that every bottle arrives fresh and unbroken, ready to satisfy requirements all over. Pallets of bottled water are shipped from manufacturers to distribution hubs based on demand and destination. Trucks transport items directly to local markets. Foreign shipments are loaded onto shipping containers and transported by air or sea. Temperature-controlled storage and transit systems are frequently used, particularly for premium or mineral-rich waters, to assist in keeping water quality stable during transportation. Bottles are stacked for easy access and visual appeal on retail shelves in supermarkets, convenience stores, and vending machines. Online businesses also help to distribute bottled water, allowing customers to access it with a few clicks. This simplified logistics technique ensures quick delivery regardless of distance, addressing the growing demand for bottled water while also ensuring efficiency. Every element, from precise bottling procedures to pure water sources, is meticulously developed to ensure the purity and refreshness you require. Bottled water indicates a commitment to sustainability, safety, and quality rather than simply a convenience. Consider the incredible journey water had to reach your hands the next time you sip. From cutting-edge concepts to advanced purification technologies, each bottle is meticulously crafted to ensure it meets the highest standards and contributes to a better Earth. We appreciate you joining us on this incredible journey. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more behind-the-scenes look at your favorite products. Stay refreshed until next time.